Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. I can't wait, guys. Today we're going to be making a keto sandwich where the bacon is the bread. You heard me right. The bacon is the bread. And if you guys want to learn how to make all kind of homemade dishes easy, the simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any videos and tap that bell so you will get notified. Okay guys, let's just jump right in. First, we are going to make our bacon bread. You're probably going to need about 6 slices total. Now, I've actually already cooked this bacon a little bit. We need to cut them in half. I didn't cook it till it was actually crisp like we wanted in the end because we have to put it back in the skillet so it'll crisp up a little bit more then. So now you just want to do a basket weave, kind of like the top of a pie you see sometimes when it's that lattice. That's what you want to do. Just weave it in and out. Nothing fancy, just it's kind of like a puzzle. Just make sure the bacon is going in and out. You're going to form a square just about the size of a slice of bread. So now once we've got our first one, we're going to knock out the second one, and then we're going to get this sandwich made. All you need is the 6 slices for each sandwich. And there you have it. Okay, now I'm going to put a little butter in my skillet so that we can fry our egg. We're just going to fry 1 egg. I am going to flip it over and bust that yolk because I don't want a runny yolk because we're going to have to pick up this sandwich. So just put it in there, flip it over, get that yolk busted, get that egg fried up real good, and then we're going to go ahead and form the sandwich. So now we've got our egg flipped over a couple of times here, and it's just about done. So we're going to put it on this plate here and get ready and make our sandwich, guys. Nicely done. Okay, so now we've got our bacon, our first layer of bacon, which is our first piece of bread. In the skillet, we're topping it with cheese. We're topping it with the egg. Now, I've used a block cheese where I just took some slices off of it, but you can just use sliced cheese. I just didn't have any on hand. Hubby again ate my cheese. Didn't tell me, but at any rate, I do have some cheese. So you just want to make sure you don't forget to put it on both sides because it's the glue that's going to make this sandwich hold. Put your other bacon on top and then get that skillet covered up. Okay, it cooks a few minutes on both sides and we have our sandwich done. Yum! Awesome, awesome, awesome. Crispy bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. I cannot wait to sit down. Thank you guys for joining in with me. Doesn't that look good? Guys, I just love it when you hang out with me. And don't forget to check me out on Patreon, guys. I have a video that explains all about what that is. Join me over there as well. I really would appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.